Did you know that you could easily convert any of our airline-compatible Roadie V2 spinner camera cases into a backpack? We designed new, fully removable backpack straps to do just that. This way, if your jobs and your travel include sandy beaches, muddy trails, snowy pathways, and other rough, wet, or difficult terrain, you can attach backpack straps whenever and wherever you need them. And on days where you don't need them, like rolling through an airport, you don't need to carry the weight or bulk of those straps bulging off the back of your case. If you're not sure if you will need them or not, they just fold up and stow away easily inside the case, so they're ready when you need them. There's no need to keep removing and reattaching the straps. They will stay off the ground anyway you roll the case. The optional Roadie backpack straps attach securely to the top of the case. Then they clip to these D-rings at the bottom, and they even have load lifters to make sure the case doesn't feel like it's pulling away from you. And you're probably wondering how much weight can they safely carry, which is an excellent question. The answer is that we've tested the attachment with over 100 pounds or 45 kilos, which is far more than the case could ever really carry in camera gear. The optional and removable Roadie backpack straps are really a game changer. They give you insane all-terrain portability when you need it, and they disappear when you don't.